Let's talk about conditions on websites today. The best website is the one that converts perfectly. How do we achieve this? By addressing the target audience specifically. I show you how this works in a couple of clicks. Let's have a look at this small page and this section with a portfolio. So here we have the normal standard view for a normal website visitor. If we target this page with, for example, two specific marketing campaigns, we could completely change all of its content. Let's try the first parameter as well. So in here we have a equals 1, which now shows us some heavily made furniture. And if we go with another target, a equals 2, we have even 20% off. This can be achieved just with a couple of clicks. So we go into the backend and we will have a look about the construction. So here, as you see, the complete block structure is the same with different contents, but I've set conditions. This condition could be URL parameters like UTM parameters and so on, session cookies, user role, time, post type information, even indexing or index numbers in a query loop. As you can see, addressing website visitors according to the target group in just a few clicks. Whether it's UTM parameters or conditions like user group or time, with conditional content, it's easy and directly in the block editor without any code with Greyd.